Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to redeem Talabat points. Talabat rewards lets you earn points when you place eligible orders through the Talabat app. So once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for rewards such as discounts on eligible orders, vouchers, special offers, or other available in your country. So the rewards available are the number of points required. The rewards available and the number of points required may differ depending on your location and current Talabat promotions. So how do you do that? Just launch Talabat and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're on your home screen, just go ahead and click on the account icon, which is located at the bottom navigation bar, and it's going to take you right into your account settings. Now, these settings, you can manage your personal information, payment methods, orders, and rewards. So within your profile, just look for rewards and tap on rewards. It takes you right into the rewards page. And so here you'll be able to see your current points balance, your available rewards, redemption options, any promotions or limited time offers, and the number of points required for each reward. Now, the exact rewards displayed depend on your country and the current Talabat rewards program. So scroll through the list of rewards available for redemption. I actually don't have points. I have 0 points, 0 vouchers. But then just browse through the list of rewards available for redemption. And depending on your region, you may see options such as discounts on eligible restaurant orders, grocery discounts, partner vouchers, price draw entries, or other promotional rewards available through Talabat. So some rewards may only be available for a limited period or at selected restaurants and stores. So click on the product or the order that catches your fancy. So once you click on it, read the details carefully. Pay attention to how many points it costs. Here it says redeem for 500 points. Pay attention to whether there is a minimum order amount, which restaurant stores accept the reward, and expiry date or special conditions. Reading the terms plan helps you to avoid surprises during checkout. If you have enough points, go ahead and tap on redeem for the number of points. Tap on that button. It's going to be eligible. It's going to be available to you or activated. So once that is done, the required number of points will be deducted from your rewards balance. If your reward is an order discount, just browse and add eligible items to your cart. Proceed to checkout, and if the reward is in apply, just look for rewards, available discount, or apply reward section. Select the discount. If your order meets the rewards requirement, the discount will appear in your order summary before payment. This is when you are applying your reward during checkout. So that's pretty much how it is. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial will help you search.